today we were doing EL 130, Unit 3, Day 2. Unit 3, Day 2. As before, we went over the 4-point saddle. Now today we're going over the 3-point saddle. The 4-point saddle is designed for you to go over air ducts or anything that's square. The 3-point saddle is designed for you to go over pipes, R-pipes, plumbing pipes, anything that's circular, okay? So now, just like everything has multipliers, the 3-point saddle multiplier is 2.5, okay? And what that means is that the center of the pipe, you have two ways you can do it. You can do it at the center of the pipe, where you can do a 60-degree bend with 2 30s, which that means the pipe will offset like this, or you can do it with a 45-degree and two 22.5s. Okay, so how to use that multiplier? So I'll explain what that is. So hypothetically speaking, this is our plumbing pipe that we want to go over. And just call this pipe 4 inches. 4-inch pipe, okay? So from the center of this pipe, okay, you bend this at a 45-degree mark. So since that pipe is 4 inches, you go 4 times 2.5 equals 10. So from the center mark, you come back 10 inches. And then that would be your second bend, which is 22.5 degrees. You come back to the center mark and you go the other way, 10 inches. And that'll be your third mark, and you bend it at 22.5 degrees. And then I'm gonna give you a small little demonstration. So the first step we'll do, I will locate the center of the pipe. So this pipe is 4, so I'll go 2.5 feet. Okay, so this is the center of the pipe. My center mark of the pipe, you don't bend it where you bend everything else right here. You bend it right here at the star mark. And the reason, that's why I abbreviated the star mark right there. Okay? At the 22.5, you bend it at the arrow, just here. So this right here is the 45 at the star. These two bends are at the arrow. Okay. So from the center mark, I come back on each side 10 inches. See, I go completely around. Now it doesn't matter what size EMT you have, all the multipliers will stay the same. Okay, so your first mark, it's here. So I line this up with the 45, and I'm gonna take this to a 45 degree. You always know if you have it correct, because your center mark should be in the center of this pipe. You rotate it around. Now this mark, you line at your arrow, which is here. You make sure you're looking straight down the pipe. Take that down to a 22. You rotate it around. You go to your third bend. Make sure that it's straight. And since it's a small pipe, I gotta put a little arm to it. 22. And there you have it, 3-point saddle. All right, thank you guys.